I can never die because I was never born. I repeat, how can I die if I was never born? I repeat that 3 times because we understand the power of the 3, the 6, and the 9. And say it with me. Say it to yourself. How can I die if I was never born? You was never born. You always were. Ain't no sense to beginning the time. It's like I always told you before time, it was us. We are pre-Adamite. We are what you call a pre-Adamite species, primordial species. So when you talking primordial energy, you talking about energetic beings, celestial energy, cosmic forces, divine forces, luminous beings, 9 ether beings. They fear you, man. And right now they trembling. They getting desperate. But we revealing everything. Everything. No matter how significant it might seem or how insignificant.